Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome to another video, another Sephora haul for you guys after a long time. Finally I got my package. So this is going to be a Sephora haul. I'm gonna share with you guys what I got from the sale. So here is the box. Before I get into my video, I'm just gonna share with you guys in a short. I had a big order from Sephora like once the sale started, like November 5th, because I was a VIB, so I had to wait. And so I lost my package. I did call the customer service. I contacted them. They were nice enough to send me another package. But finally I got my order. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got from Sephora sale. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into this video, show you guys what I got. So here is the box. I did order online, by the way. And this should be my last haul ordering anything online. So the first item that I'm gonna show you guys was palette. This is the palette that I really wanted to get. This is the Icy Nude palette, Huda Beauty. This is something that I really wanted to order because before the sale it was sold out. So as soon as they got in stock, I had to order this. This is the eyeshadow palette. So let me just go ahead and open this. It's been a while that I haven't ordered any palette, so when I saw this one, I couldn't wait to get it. So I love the packaging. It's super chic and love the color. So let's go ahead and open this. Wow, this is beautiful. Actually, it's gorgeous. These toppings are so beautiful, and I love the mirror on this. So I'm so excited to use this palette. I'm gonna come up with a tutorial using this palette. I love the color story of this palette. I'm not going to swatch or anything. I just want to show you guys. Actually, I can't wait to dive in this one. Let me just go ahead and wow. So I just want, oh, this is so pretty and wow. I'm already loving this palette. It is gorgeous palette. So here is this one, Giorgio Armani. This is one of the luminous silk, and this is in the shade 100. I had this before in 120. That was like too dark for me. I had to get this one. So let me go ahead and show you guys. It's super beautiful. I love this bronzer. It is Sunlight Creamy Bronzing Powder. And here is this beauty. Wow, I love the shimmer on this. Apply it all over your face for extra luminosity. And actually I had this. My makeup is like from morning. But right now it's like, I don't know, 8 p.m. I think. 8 or 9 p.m. But I just wanted to film this. I'm already late just because I got the package. Like they had to send the replacement and that took time to get it. Anyways, I love this one. So really like the mirror. That's the fun part. It has a huge mirror. It's one of my favorite brand. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hill. I got the foundation. This is luminous foundation, and in the shade 320, the current favorite, medium coverage, but it is buildable. I got this. This is the lip velvet. I got it in the shade Hush Rose. This is one of their new that they came up. So oh my god, the packaging is stunning. This is like my favorite brand. Everything I love from this brand. It's very beautiful. As I said, love the packaging. The applicator is so nice, and this is a really beautiful color. I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. That is a shade It's very beautiful. Also, I had to pick up this. It's great for holidays. Amber Sparkle and Honey Diamond. There's these two. Wow, look at these shimmers in this. The sparkles. It's so beautiful. Fenty Beauty on my lips if you guys are curious. But yeah, let me just show you guys a little bit. Wow. I love these ones. So yeah, these are great additions. So I love these. These are my favorite. I guess it's Fenty Beauty. I picked up one of their mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara because I'm black. I'm out of. So yeah, these are super nice. I had actually this one last year. They had it like in holiday gift sets. They had two of them for the same price as one. But this year they didn't come up with those gift sets. So yeah, I had to pick up this individual one. Like, I enjoy Fenty Beauty. So here is another item from Fenty Beauty 01. That's the shade. And here is this one. Super gorgeous packaging as well. This color is stunning. Just gonna swap it over here. So that's the shade. It's stunning. This one, yeah, one of Fenty's holiday sets. I couldn't wait to get this one too. So there is Fenty Glow, Dragon Miami, and Hot Cherry. Yeah, those are the three shades. Dragon Miami is very gorgeous. That's what I'm wearing right now. I love it. And here is this one. This is the Hot Cherry. Beautiful, gorgeous for these holidays. Yeah, this is awesome gift to give for these holidays. I know everybody loves these colors. And this one is the Fenty Glow Luminizer Cream and the Plumper. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing right now. I also pick up one of the Sephora liquid eyeliner, one of my absolute favorite. I have been using this for years and I love it. It's very nice. Let me show you guys. I have one open one still. So since it was a Sephora collection that you get 30% off, I had to pick up this. Yeah, so let me show you guys this one. Yeah, this is very nice. I just love this eyeliner. Ever since I got this one, I can't go with any other eyeliner because this is very nice and super affordable, like benefit in my previous order, and I really like it. This is the little travel size. I loved it, so that's why I had to pick up the full size since I was getting discount. So I had to pick up all the items all these products that I love. Yeah, so here is this. Let me open it and show you guys. I'm out of the mini one, so I had to use this one. I can just add a little bit and show you guys. This is a must have in your beauty bag. I'm just gonna probably come up with a tutorial that I'm going to use all of these new products, makeup product that I got on sale. I really hope you guys like and enjoy watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you love this video, stick around for the next video, and I'm going to come up with another video showing you guys all of these makeup products that I got, if not all of them, like most of them. Wow, I'm excited to use these ones. Stick around for another makeup tutorial using these. Yeah, and let you guys know how I like them. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.